Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the inner door on a cooker. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. On this particular oven, to remove, simply lower the door and lift these holding catches seen here and here. Then slowly close the door until the catches engage and lift off like this. If your oven has different hinges, see your user guide or our other videos. Now rest the door on a soft surface and remove the 4 screws that secure it through the inner panel and the 4 screws at the bottom that secure the hinges. We can now carefully lift the inner panel out, leaving the rest of the parts behind. This is now an ideal opportunity to clean the outer door panel. To refit the door, place the door hinges into the brackets and ensure the slots in the hinges locate correctly. Now we can refit all the screws back into the inner door panel. Then carefully lower. When you are sure it is located correctly, drop the door down and push the catches back into place. And there we are, the inner door replaced on a cooker. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.